guys, teairawalker here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a full get ready with me, and that includes my hair. I'm going to take my Eco Styling Gel to just sleek my hair down. I do have my hair parted down the middle into two buns. I'm going to take my edges out, my baby hairs out, whatever I want to keep out of the ponytail, and then I'm just going to sleek my hair down with a baby hairs brush. I feel like these brushes are more detailed than a normal brush. That's why I love using these to kind of sleek my ponytail down, because they just grab every strand. Then I'm going to take my Ebin edge control. This edge control is everything, you guys. Like, I always get questions about the edge control that I use. The Ebin, it's fire. I'll leave a link in the description box. It's down below for you guys to check that out. So I'm just sleeking this hair down even more with the edge control. And I didn't have to use the edge control. I just used it just because this is my first time ever trying this hairstyle, so I just be experimenting. You want to flat iron your hair and just add the free spray, you can, but if I don't have to put heat on my head, I won't put heat on my head. So I'm not going to be too detailed with this tutorial just because I have so many ponytail tutorials on my channel. This hairstyle took me longer. It took me a while to get this right, you guys. It was just trial and error, but I was like determined to get it right. Also, shout out to me for being resourceful with this mirror in the background held up by a tripod so I can see the back of my head. Resourceful AF. But anyways, sleeking my hair down, I'm gonna take the Got To Be Free Spray, spray that down, slick it back, and then blow dry it on cool, just so I can have the sleekage that I need. I know that's not a word, but it is today. So I'm just sleeking that down. And I'm going to take these wrap strips and just wrap my hair so everything stays in place. The flyaways stay flat and not fly away. So I'm just wrapping my hair. I was very nervous about how this was gonna turn out, you guys. I was so nervous. Anyways, I'm gonna take this edge control brush. Why do I keep saying edge control brush? This baby hair brush, and sleek my hair down using the Ebin. And I just want my edges to be kind of like on swim. I don't want the minimal edges, baby hairs. I want adult hairs today. And I'm just sleeking that however, in whichever way I want. Okay, we're gonna get into the makeup portion and then come back to the hair in a sec. Hello, Earthlings. How are you guys? I'm gonna take the Milk Hydro Primer and prime my face. I love doing my makeup when I don't have lash extensions on because I get to like freely do my makeup. And I feel like my eyelashes are always in the way. So I'm kind of excited to do my makeup without eyelash extensions. So I'm gonna mix the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude True to Skin foundation with my NARS foundation. And my NARS is in Tahoe and my Giorgio Armani is in 8.75. I'm gonna do my face first because I really don't know what I'm doing on my eyes just yet. I kind of want this to be a very, I'm not gonna say different, because I know once I say different, it ain't gonna be different. So I want to use a brush today. I just cleaned most of my brushes. Well, not most of them because I have so many, but most of the brushes that I use on an everyday basis. I feel like it's coming a little streaky because it's still a little damp. I just like this whitehead came on my nose today, which is so weird. I've been getting whiteheads and I don't know why. No, I'm not feeling this brush right now. It's just not doing it. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty face brush. This is a really amazing brush. I don't want to put too much foundation on today just because I'm probably gonna go ham with the concealer. And I feel like, you know, you really don't need that much foundation because we just layer it, honestly. Also, don't forget I am doing a giveaway in every video till New Year. Is this foundation my shade? I feel very weird with these two pigtails in my head right now. I just need the extensions in already because it's not giving me what I need it to give me right now. But it's a process, you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm doing a giveaway every video for the rest of the year. So make sure you read the description box for the information and what I'm giving away. Every video, I'm giving away 2 boxes of luxury skincare, makeup, hair care, all of that good stuff. So make sure you check out the description box down below to enter. There will be 2 winners every video, so that's cool. And also make sure you come back to check out the winners of the giveaway. I'll put the winners of the giveaway from last video on the screen right now, so congratulations. It's so quiet in my house because Dior's not here. Me and my mom take turns watching her. It's so quiet in here without her, like, I'm sad. I'm gonna take this small brush, the Morphe M173 brush, just to get around my brows, because I feel like, you know, when you do your brows first, kinda gotta just go around them with a smaller brush. And I did not even like conceal my brows yet. All right. Let me conceal my brows real quick. I'm gonna take the Kevyn Aucoin concealer in medium 5. I'm just gonna conceal that. I haven't worn red lipstick in so long. I don't know if I'm wearing red lipstick today, but like, I haven't worn that in so long. I am so curious to see how my hair is gonna turn out. I just wanna hurry up and do a makeup so I can see, like, girl, how is this about to turn out? You know what I mean? We like to try new looks, you know? This is so different. This is giving me like little girl vibes. Obviously it's Pigtails. Okay, Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 440. I'm just going to kind of go towards my lips with that. And then my forehead. I'm gonna have to blend my forehead out with a smaller brush because I have to go in between my edges. So I'm gonna take that same foundation brush that I used and blend that out. Whenever I can use a foundation brush, I like to use it when blending out my contour just so it makes it a little more softer. I need to use some new products. Oh, how pretty is this palette? How pretty is this palette? This is called the Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas. Okay, what am I doing? I'm blending this out. I'm gonna take this small Morphe brush that I used earlier and just blend that into my hairline. I'm kind of blend up and then blend down at the same time because you don't want to mess up the edgy. And then like tap in. I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer in 4.1. I'm just gonna take this one under the eyes because it's matte and I don't want my whole face to just be matte. I'm gonna take that same Kevyn Aucoin concealer that I used earlier. This one is watery. The other Kevyn Aucoin concealer is super, it's the complete opposite of this concealer. And the other one is super full coverage, beat, like sensual skin enhancer. And this is, I'm in the shade 8. That one is full coverage, beat, like cake face. But I love to use that concealer because it covers every single thing. But right now, I think it's too light for me, so I can't use it. But I'm just let this concealer sit right now while I, you know, do nothing. I think my hair is gonna turn out pretty great though. Okay, that should be enough. I'm gonna take this Haley's brush, it's kind of damp, and just start blending that out. The Kevyn Aucoin kind of blended on its own. I don't know if you guys can see that. Literally blends into the foundation. It literally doesn't do much but add like a tint of highlight, like a tint, because it's so natural. It just blends in on its own. That's crazy. I'm gonna start from the bottom under my eye and then kind of blend up and out. Laura Mercier powder, loose powder. Oldie but goodie. I'm gonna set under my eyes first. Light layer first, then another layer, and I'm just gonna go over my eyes with this one and under my eyes. Also, under my chin, I feel like my chin is just, I don't know, my chin and around my mouth. I think my forehead I'm not gonna set because I do want my face to look natural, and I feel like that forehead, like natural glow, we don't really have to set that. So I'm not gonna set my forehead, but I am gonna set the rest of my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth in the shade Foncé Deep. I'm just gonna grab this Sephora Pro Bronzer brush and set all this down here. This Morphe, this is the Highlight and Contour Palette 8L. I think that's the number. I'm gonna take this light shade in here and just set under my eyes again, just with this powder. I feel like this kind of sets your eye, but also gives it an added coverage, but a light coverage. This contour shade Donut. And I'm gonna just lightly contour. I'm just gonna go towards my mouth. I literally sometimes just do my makeup all over the place. So I'm gonna take my Benefit 24-hour brow setter and set my brows because we're gonna start the eyes. I feel like it doesn't do much, but it just does everything. And then we're gonna start with the eyes. I wanna see myself in 2 different looks. I wanna like do the cat eye look, is it a cat eye? And like a red lipstick, something like super simple and glam. And then I wanna try something different. So that's what I'm gonna do, okay? Because I like to see, since I am doing my makeup, I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario palette. This is a new brand. And this is the Master Mattes. This is me in a palette. The most simplest shades, definitely. See, this is me, you know what I mean? This is my color palette in life. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a brown shade, but lightly. I don't want it to be like super noticeable. I just want to lift my outer eye and not make it seem so low. See how this just gives it like a lifted effect versus this eye looking a little, does it? Do y'all see that? You know what I mean? No. Okay, what I'm about to do is just take the Ardell Soft Touch lashes and I'm going to customize my lashes to give it that cat eye effect. And I'm just gonna take the Besto eyelash adhesive and do that. This might take a little second. And I like this one because it has long, medium, and the short one. I'm gonna put the long on the outer corner, the medium in the middle, and I might not do any for the inner. We'll see. And I like this eyelash glue because you can just stick it on. You don't have to wait for it to dry. We just go get ready, we go out, baby. So I'm gonna use Kylie lip pencil in the shade Red Velvet. This one seems like it'll be smoother. Then I'm gonna take her lipstick in Red Velvet. I'm gonna take this Morphe palette. This is the blush palette, 8W, and I'm gonna take MUA. Use the same brush that I used to contour with. I'm gonna use the Makeup by Mario black. Is it black liner? I love my base though. My base is flawless. Like, I don't even want to use setting spray because it like looks so good that I don't even need setting spray. Like, okay, let me finish my hair. Okay, so I am back. I am just wrapping. I braided my hair and I am wrapping my braids in the wrap strips, and I'm using hair glue to just keep that in place. And that's what's going to hold the bundles in place as well. I'm gonna grab my bundles. We're looking real cute. Still nervous about it, but we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna make it do what it do. So we're gonna take our bundles or like our extra hair, excess hair we have laying around the house. I'm gonna take the hair glue and just put a line up the braid, just because I feel like it's easier if you're doing your own hair that way instead of like gluing every strip. So I just put that glue straight up and it's just easier that way. Then I'm just going to wrap the bundles, the hair around that braid all the way up to the top. I have so many ponytail tutorials on my channel. I will link that in the description box down below for you guys, because I know this isn't detailed just because there's a lot going on in this video and I've done this a million times. So It's kind of self-explanatory. I'm gonna let you guys see. Also, I'm just gonna wrap that hair because I need more hair because it didn't go all the way up to the top, and then add more hair to finish it off, make it look good, secure it, cut that extra hair off, and then wrap it around that ponytail. Once I wrap it, I'm just gonna use some freeze spray to like hold it in place. And then I'm gonna take some hair from the bottom of the ponytail. I'm gonna flat iron it, get it sleek, and then I'm gonna wrap it around the ponytail to finish it off and hide the wefts and make it look clean and crisp. And while you wrap it, you do want to spray the freeze spray on the hair so it can stay in place and not move and be secured. And just keep wrapping that and wrapping that and wrapping that. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching me, and then I'm gonna go back to the makeup portion because you guys will see in the video, your girl was just literally playing in makeup. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this and then I'll come back. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is so different. Get dressed a little. Maybe do my makeup a little different. How are we gonna do our makeup? I like this look. I love that you can tell, like, you know, the base is like real flawless and cute. When I be looking at myself, I'll be like, okay, like that's different, like oh no. I'm gonna go into this palette right here, or should I go into Mario? So much. This one is so pretty. Oh. So I'm gonna use some of the Mario brushes today. I'm gonna just go into this palette and make it do what it do, baby. I'm gonna make it do what it do. I do that still, but now I feel like I'm gonna do something like this, which is kind of boring. I'm always boring. Why am I always boring? I just love boring colors. Like, that's just me. Oh, it's pretty though. Like, why is it so pretty? I'm thinking so hard right now. I love this brown though. That's a really pretty color. I don't know what lip color I want to do. This is Dose of Colors Macchiato, by the way. Ooh, makeup is flawless. Zorlin. I'm just like playing in makeup, you guys. Like, don't mind me, it's just a girl playing in makeup over here. I like it, I like it, I really, really like it. Oh, I need to get an outfit now. So this is the final look. This is my outfit. I tried to make the pigtails look super classy. My dress is from Jack Moose, my bag is from Bottega, and my shoes are from Fenty. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to enter the giveaway in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.